Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pancakes. First, gather your ingredients. 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. You'll also need 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Having these ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's mix the batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, combine the milk, egg, and melted butter. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes, and we want them light and fluffy. It's time to cook. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat, aiming for about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Flip carefully and cook until golden brown. Your delicious pancakes are ready. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings like maple syrup, fresh fruit, or whipped cream. For a fun twist, try adding a half cup of blueberries or chocolate chips to the batter before cooking. You can also experiment with different flours, like whole wheat, for a slightly different flavor and texture. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.